Why sex hurts after having a baby? My name is Nasteri, and today I want us to talk about that. This is because a lot of you message me about this, and I know it could be you could be feeling a little bit embarrassed to talk about it publicly. And I know maybe you could have told somebody and they told you just give it time. But if, intimacy is very painful months after birth, there are real reasons behind it, and this is what I want us to address in this video. And as a nurse working with mothers, I want you to understand something very, very important. Pain with intimacy after childbirth is common, but it should never be ignored. Your body went through, enormous or a lot of physical changes, and sometimes the healing process needs support and also patience. So let us talk about the reasons why you may be feeling or having or hurting during sex after childbirth. And I'm going to start with point number 5. And point number 1 is the biggest culprit. So watch this video till the very end and tap on it or like this video so that a lot of women can also find it. Number 5 is one of the causes is something we call pelvic floor tension. During pregnancy and birth, your pelvic floor muscles, go through extreme stretching and strain. And for some women, instead of relaxing afterwards, you are very, very busy. You don't relax. You are up and about, and those muscles stay tight and protective. And when that happens, penetration can feel like burning or very painful, or like hitting a wall, or sharp pain, which is very, very uncomfortable. Reason number 4 is low estrogen levels after birth, especially if you are breastfeeding. And I know a lot of us breastfeed after giving birth. Estrogen keeps the vaginal tissues thick, elastic, and very well lubricated. And when these levels drop, the tissues or your vaginal tissues can become very dry and sensitive, which makes, intimacy uncomfortable or painful. I saw another woman who was saying that she feels like it's a chore because of the dryness. The culprit here could be low estrogen levels, and you need to address that. Reason number 3. If you had a tear or stitches during birth, that scar tissue can sometimes form in a way that makes the vaginal opening more sensitive, and this can cause pain exactly where the scar healed, especially when you're having that penetration. So if you had a vaginal birth, you had an episiotomy, you were sutured, this could be the reason. And the most important point is here now, that after childbirth, your body is recovering. I know we said that. And this is not just physically, but also emotionally and neurologically. And if you had a difficult birth, a traumatic kind of birth or long labor, your nervous system may still be, protecting that area of your body, which can cause the muscles to tighten automatically. The most important thing that I want you to understand is this. Painful sex after birth is not something you should simply tolerate. I'm going to give you some practical steps that you can do starting today, so that you can be able to deal with this. So number 1 is do gentle pelvic floor relaxation exercises, and these ones you can find them on YouTube. Just Google them out. And number 2, allow more time for healing. So don't rush into sex, especially if you are still in your puerperium period. And men, you need to support your women here. Don't rush them into having intercourse, even when they are still in their puerperium period. That is between week 0 to week 8 after birth. So allow time for healing. And number 3, you need to address hormonal dryness. And if it is very difficult, consider working with a pelvic floor therapist. Now, if you're in your postpartum season and maybe you want a structured guidance on how to support your recovery physically, emotionally, and hormonally, I've created a lot of resources specifically for you, and you can find them in the link in my profile or in the video description. Or if you're watching from YouTube, there's a pinned comment there there's a pinned comment. Check on it and get this so that you can be supported. Be sure to like and to subscribe. My name is Nasteri.